Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is a little bit of an early unboxing, at least one a few days early, right? We got the Love Letter Jordan 1s right here, a sneaker that is dropping in a couple days, man, and basically, we're going to be unboxing this pair, getting into everything that comes with the sneaker, the box, the extra laces, the hang tag, just the overall colorway, and, well, just kind of the storyline behind the shoe, why Nike made it. So, I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get into it. If you guys do want, again, more sneaker content, unboxings like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for here on the channel, 300 likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. I'll bring out another unboxing very soon, a little early one. And again, make sure you guys check out my Instagram page. Don't forget the free giveaway for the blue tiles is live. Just go to my pinned reels. It'll be my one right there, and you'll see me holding a pair of them. And just enter that giveaway right there. Tag your 2 friends, like the post, and well, let me know why you want to win the pair of blue tiles. And my TikTok streetwear auctions are also down below. If you ever want to come cop some streetwear off us, then don't forget we'll be doing some shoe stuff over there soon as well. So check that out down below. Come get yourself some streetwear for the collection. I can't speak this morning, excuse me, but that's all in a pinned comment if y'all want to check it. Hope you guys will enjoy. And yeah, basically we're just going to break down the Love Letter 1, see how nice this pair is, and if it's worth the cop. So hope you guys will enjoy. Let's get started. So basically, from what I just read a little bit ago, right, this sneaker is basically a tribute to MJ's retirement, or his last game. I believe on one of the hang tags, so I'm going to show here in a sec, it says much love and respect. And that was the quote that MJ basically said when he was peacing out from the game, right? So, looking at this right here, as you guys can see, this is clearly based off of basketball. I don't think there's any doubts about that. You can even tell, like, based off the texture. There's zero doubts that this box is based off a basketball. So you can see we got the kind of that basketball color right there, kind of that lighter brown, and then black right there. And then also here on the tag, let me show this so you guys can see authentic pair right there. There's a full view in case you need to compare yours online or anything like that. Boom. Just get a full glimpse of that right there. All right. So aside from the box and the colorway, really what that means, of course, it's a basketball. So, aside from that, we're going to take off the box lid right there, and let me show you guys the rest of the sneaker right here. So you guys can see, I'm just going to do an upside down view. You guys can see the overall look of the colorway on the shoe. Super, super nice. Let me take these out, right, because I want to make sure I'm doing this pair full justice, right? Here's the hang tag, and here's the other pair. So, boom, take a look at these right here, just so you guys can take a look at the colorway. So clean. This is the main reason I bought the shoe, was just the colorway. I really like kind of that lighter brown they decided to go with. I think it looks really nice, and again, with it having that hang tag, I mean, you could just rock it with that and it looks perfect. And you guys can see on the hang tag right there, it says, well, has the Wings logo, and take a look, much love and respect, MJ's quote when he was peacing out from the game. So I mean, the texture on these is really nice. This isn't even like a like the material on these is like kind of different. It's like a leather, like it's a nubuck actually, I believe, if I'm right or wrong. It's what it seems like it is. It doesn't seem like a suede, but it seems more like a leather material. Can you kind of see that? So that's why I'm saying it might be like a nubuck material that we got on that. Sorry if I'm not nailing that 100% right now, but you guys can see the colorway is still super clean. I love the hang tag that we got right there, and it just makes for a really nice shoe. Here, let me get this untangled there so you guys can see the full accurate view right there. I mean, check that out. That is such a clean pair of sneakers right there. Nike needs to make more clean shoes like this, right, that are low-key, but they need to make sure they're not retailing for, like, these are retailing for too much, you know what I mean, like 180 retail. So, you know what I mean, like, they will probably do all right, but I don't know if they're gonna, you know what I mean, go, like, above retail price, considering that that's already super, super high, you know what I mean? But aside from that, we do have some extra laces in here. I want to show you all a bunch of them, actually, I think, or at least here's one. I don't know why it, like, came apart on me, but we got, like, this red colorway right here. You could rock it with that. I think that's very, very nice. I'll check on the inside of the other one if there's another pair of extra laces. There is not. Let me check on this pair. So I think it just comes with those. Yeah, just comes with that color. Here's the tongue tag as well, just so you guys can kind of see we got kind of that red colorway that matches again with those laces, so you could rock it for that reason. And it mainly goes with the soles, so you guys can see the soles right there. But we'll give you all a better glimpse of that in a second. Here's the insole. This is what I really want to show you guys. So you can see it's kind of that same red. Can you see that a little bit right there? Obviously the white laces are blocking this a little bit, but you guys can probably now see the Nike Air, kind of that red and white look. That's really what we got on this sneaker. So there you go. Boom. There's the insole right there. I don't think there's any unique details under the heel or anything. If I missed that, then we'll recap on that or make a short on it, right? But aside from that, you guys see there's the back of the hang tag right there based off that basketball with the overall colorway, box, pretty much with the whole shoe is based off. And yeah, just a really, really clean colorway. Let me show you guys the soles side by side so you guys can see what we got going on. We have some standard white laces on these as well. I thought that was a good choice for them to go with. Just matches with the shoe since there is a lot of white on it. So I think it works. And then, yeah, we also got the red bottoms right there. So you guys can kind of see what we got. Again, kind of that red wine look on the soles right there. I thought that was extremely clean as well. You cannot go wrong with that on a pair of shoes. And yeah, it just looks really good on these, man, especially with how it matches with like the upper and overall look. You see how like it doesn't throw off the shoe, like, you know what I mean? It's like right there, and then boom, it's like completely, you wouldn't expect this colorway, you know what I mean? You're like, okay, it's probably like, you know, like a black sole or something really chill, but boom, then you got this right there. So although that was another nice detail, again, goes with what we got on that tongue tag right there. And then yeah, just the overall sneaker right there, boom, with a hang tag and everything. Again, let me show y'all a good view of these just so y'all can see what we got going on. I mean, such a clean pair for the collection. So if you're thinking about getting a pair of Jordan 1s this year, this would definitely be one I've considered adding just because of how nice these really are. So aside from that, there's a really good glimpse of the colorway. That's actually like very accurate to what they look like in hand right there. So aside from that, we're gonna do some on feet shots for these right now, since this video is not just an unboxing. Keep in mind, your boy's gonna wear these. We're gonna show what these look like, just rocking them around. I'm gonna put some shorts on, and we already got some on TMI, but yeah, we're gonna rock these and we're gonna do the on feet video. So I hope you guys will enjoy that. We'll show the box and everything else a little bit more, let y'all know if they're comfortable or not. And yeah, let's do the on feet unboxing for the Love Letter 1s. Such a clean pair in hand, man. All right, so as you guys can see, we are now right here, and you can see this is an outside view. Look at that box right there. Like, the box is very, very nice. And then yeah, we can take a look at the shoes right there. I mean, look at that. Just a nice pair of Jordan 1s for the collection right there. That's the main thing I'm trying to just let people know about these, is that this is a really, really nice shoe just to wear around. Like, if you have trouble finding sneakers like to beat up and wear around, this is definitely one of those ones. It's just nice to have for the collection. You can see a nice little hang tag with it, MJ's quote right there, and then boom, just the overall look of the shoe is really, really nice. Here, I'll try and get that to focus a bit better so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about right there. There you go. Look at that. And here, what we got in the soles right there. Very, very nice. So aside from all that, what we're going to do right now is I'm basically just going to film the on feet portion, but they look great outdoors. So let's put them on feet and then see what they look like then. All right, so as you guys can see, take a look. Here's like the colorway. You can see the much love and respect. Yeah, they might be a little dirty because I had to walk through to grab this muff, but aside from that, you guys can see that's the homie, little bro. But take a look at that colorway, man. You see what I'm talking about? Very, very nice sneaker. The hang tag, again, you can wear with it. Doesn't really matter, you know what I mean? You can take it off, take it on. I like that it's not, they actually went with like the metal one this time, so it's your choice. You don't have to like, you know, it's not like life or death with like the True Blues, for example, where it's plastic, and if you cut it off, you can't put it back on. You gotta go get one of these basically. So I'm glad that this came with that. But very, very nice sneaker. And yeah, here's that hang tag right there for you guys so y'all can see all that. Very nice shoes. So aside from that, we're just gonna show these kind of on feet with a better view. There's kind of a part one, so let's do it. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the Love Letter Jordan 1s that we got coming soon. I believe the release date is on August 1st, so make sure you guys don't miss out on this pair. If this is one you guys are looking to add to your collection, I do expect prices to get a bit cheaper over the next few days if they haven't already. Just because, again, this isn't a sneaker that I expect to resell, really, just because the retail price is so high. Like, 180 retail is going to kill a lot of the potential for this sneaker to flip, but maybe it'll go for like 190, 210. I mean, that's a realistic possibility, you know? They could do that, just maybe flip a little, but I don't know. We'll check if the market's really doing decent. Maybe I'll make a video on it, but mainly just an unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about this pair. I love the hang tag right there. I love the box. And this sneaker, man, is just a really nice one. I think that's the main thing we can say about the shoe. It's just a nice sneaker to have in your collection. We're really going to be happy to display these, rock them around, and just use this pair for the next few years, man. So let me know what you guys think about these. If you're copping a pair, subscribe and like down below for more. Normal goals, 300 likes. Don't forget, blue tile giveaway is live on my Instagram, so just go to my pinned reel, tag 2 friends, like the post, and let me know why you want to win the pair of blue tiles. And that's pretty much all I got to do. And that ends in a couple days, so definitely make sure you guys get entered on that before we do our next giveaway. And am I forgetting anything else? I don't think so. Maybe. TikTok streetwear auctions. That's what I was forgetting. That's in the pinned comment as well. If you ever want to come cop some streetwear for your collection, anything like that, come check us out down below. Come cop something and get yourself right. And that's really what I can say. I appreciate everyone that supports over there and here on the channel, man. That means a ton to me. I just want to let y'all know that. And, hey, thank you guys. So let me know what you guys think about the love letter ones. We'll have another video tomorrow, guys, on the channel. And this is a clean pair. I don't think there's any doubts about that. I'm happy to have these in the collection. And let me know if you guys are copping. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you, guys. I'll catch y'all on the next one tomorrow. And let me know your thoughts on the love letter ones in the comments. See you guys then. Peace out, squad.